Hello, my pretties. I'm back at another cooking rodeo with one Tater Cowgirl, the one who turned 60 this week. Wah. Bad. Pfui. Anyway, it is what it is. And you know, I had some problems, some health problems. I'm kind of okay. I'm still in pain. My bruised rib cage gives me trouble. Nevertheless, we can cook. I couldn't go to the Renaissance fair with Eddie and my husband. Gemein. I love the Renaissance fair at Casa de Fruta here, nearby Gilroy at Pacheco Pass Highway. But I'm in too much pain. I can't do it. I can move slowly and I can cook here. And I have to eat, so I have to make myself a snack, and that's what we're doing now. Okay, what are we doing today? I show you how I make zoodles, and I have let me put it a bit down. I have a red onion, which I cut and chopped. Yeah, last weekend I got up too fast and passed out. The light went off. That was the first time ever that happened to me. It wasn't fun. So we have one small chopped onion in here, and we do maybe a tablespoon water, or I have a garlic vegan broth, better than bouillon. I love that garlic broth. So yeah, anyway, I passed out, banged my elbow against the chest drawer and then fell down. It was like a split of a second, and bruised my rib cage and the other elbow. Everything just hurt. I mean, since 1 week, it's getting slowly better. I couldn't even get out of the bed the first day. It hurt so much. Anyway, my worst enemy, my husband just shakes the head. I mean, this is like, first I fell, since I was in Washington, I fell 3 times because of my eyes, because I couldn't see. Now I can see again. My cataracts were successfully removed in both eyes, and now I fall and pass out. So great job, Sylvia. I had to delete my 60th birthday reservations and cancel everything because I was in too much pain. It was also our 10th wedding anniversary. It was the lamest ever. But we will do something later on. So okay, a little bit more. I did the onions first because I want them to be a little glassy. When we do the other one, I go on medium heat. I put basile, chopped basile, and garlic in. Because the garlic gets bitter when you put it in too early, and the basil doesn't need a lot of saute either. Now we do the zucchini. We chop the end off. I already peeled it. You can, I just peel it sporadically. That's one from the garden who had a little stuff on it, and I didn't want to use it. So what we do is, with a peeler, we make our zoodles. And we go all the way until you hit the little inside of the zucchini, the core where the little seeds are. And then I stop. Our rabbit Bun will eat the rest, so nothing goes to waste in our house. Let's put that on low until I am ready. Don't want to lose too much of the moisture. This is my favorite recipe for zoodles. You can do a lot of other to make sauces, the McDougall golden gravy or the mushroom gravy. They fit to everything. But I just need a little snack today, and don't want a big gravy with it. I just want zoodles. And did I tell you that I got rid of my pain in my body? That was the other sort of pain I had the last few weeks. I wrote down in a diary what I eat and when I get it, and it seems everything sugar, everything sweet. And so I stopped eating it, and the pain went away. So it wasn't gluten, it wasn't bread, but sweet stuff. I mean, you know, I like to bake and all that stuff, and it just doesn't work for me, so I have to lay off of it. Okay, so we have these zoodles. We put them in. I don't have much, it's just for me a little portion. We mix that with the, go on high again, mix that with the onions and the garlic. They don't need much, and it's up to you. If you are a raw eater, you probably don't even have to saute them much. I like them a little soft, with a little moisture. So they taste like farfalle, yeah. I put a little bit Italian let's say an eighth of a teaspoon for that small amount. A little bit pepper. I don't need salt because I have bouillon in there. If you make it with water, you might have to add some salt or tamari sauce, something like that. You can add nutritional yeast if you want to have a little cheesy, you know, parmesan-y look. I don't need that. I just eat it like that. Because nutritional yeast itself doesn't have a distinctive flavor. It just gives you the kind of cheesy look, you know, you like on pasta. But I don't need that. Okay, when I'm more hungry, like for a dinner, I eat that on top of rice, brown rice, or I eat it with roasted bread or some fingerling potatoes or some polenta. That works. So there's a lot. They're very versatile. So it's good knowing how to make them. And always have a little, you know, broth there, even if you don't use the whole thing. Have enough there, like a cup, so that you can add. And I think they're already okay. Al dente, al dente. How else am I doing? I didn't add more weight. I told you I added 5 more pounds. I added 5 pounds back after Washington. I lost 2 when I started being in pain. And yeah, that's it. So I have, after I lost 117 pounds, I'm now at 114. I lost 114 pounds because I added 3 back, and this is okay. I can live with that. I feel good. My eyes are perfect. I renewed my driver's license, passed the vision test. Woohoo! And also I'm still healing. My surgeon said not to go too early, but I had an appointment on my birthday. Went to the DMV, I passed the vision test, and it's all good. Anyway, the reason I passed out was low blood pressure, and I kind of felt like I get a cold and wasn't really eating. I had no appetite, and you should not do that in the morning if you know, are a diabetic and recovering diabetic. I had low blood sugar too, because I only ate a small almond yogurt and couldn't eat, and then I got tipsy, or how to say, vertigo. Anyway, it wasn't a heart. I was worried I had a heart problem, but I wasn't. So I have to deal with that rib cage now, but that's it. And I show you my pasta, which I gladly eat now. As I said, you can put nutritional yeast on it. One will get the inside of the zucchini. It's waiting. The rabbit is waiting for it. The rabbit eats so much, I can't believe. Let's get with the shovel here. Find Oh, the onions, I love onions. Yeah, I noticed some things. The other thing I can't, that makes my body hurt, and that is really weird, is black tea. I can't drink black tea anymore, iced tea. I used to drink iced tea at work in the afternoon to not be so tired. I can't. I drink green tea now, and that's fine. I can drink green tea and other, you know, non-caffeinated teas, no problem. But if I drink black tea, I get these pains like with sugar. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, but I can't do it. All right. Let me get a fork. Okay. Zoodles, all plant-based, the little snack. They are so good. The garlic is good on it, the onions. That's it for today. I apologize for the short cooking demo, but I have to heal my rib cage. And you know, I noticed how modest you get when you have all this pain. All I wanted for my birthday was one day without pain, please. One day without pain. And I hope I get it soon. I notice I'm healing, I feel better. Have a good weekend, and I hope I see you to another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirls next week. This is in California. Peace out. Bow.